Hello.
Hello, Victor.
Yes, Hannes.
Sorry, Victor, just hold on a sec. I just need to close the door. It's just a bit noisy here. Okay, that's better. Thijs van Rensburg here from Vodacom.
Sorry?
It's Thijs van Rensburg here from Vodacom.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Listen, sorry to bug you. I just wanted to talk about a business opportunity we had in mind here with you and Vodacom.
Yes.
You know, cell phone is all the rage. And we wanted to talk about a project where we had Victor Matfield wallpapers, ringtones, SMS alerts.
You can tell me more, maybe?
The more people download the ringtones, you will make money off it, and so will we.
Yes.
By the way, are you online? Are you on the internet at all?
Yes.
Are you on Twitter?
Yes.
Are you? Okay. Have you been tweeting this week at all?
Yes, yes. A few times.
Okay. Let me play you down the phone the ringtone we had in mind. That will be the Victor Matfield ringtone. Okay, I'm going to play it down the phone for you.
Okay.
You are terrible.
What do you think of that, Victor?
Do you think people like that?
Absolutely.
Well, maybe we can make some money, huh?
Now, an SMS alert tone, you know when you get sent an SMS, this is the tone that we were thinking would be appropriate for you.
Okay.
Tweet, 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 SMS.
Very funny. How are you, Whackhead, huh?
I'm calling you, my brother. Captured.
Very good.
Captured.
Captured.